Where's my volume?
Also,
oh, there it is.
Feel free whenever you're alone. Like, feel free to let me know when if you're ever free to record Kirby.
Okay.
You typically,
Will
I
do.
think you know when I'm available, so.
Anytime after your work?
Yeah, basically. Or weekends.
Yeah, my cousins did get me the microphone. It's just not here yet. Should be here September 5th.
Oh, you got a new microphone. Okay.
Yeah, like the
one that I recommended.
Yeah.
Nice.
I already know where I'm gonna clip it to. I'm turning back on music.
Multiplayer's up.
Alright. It is?
Yes.
It does not say that you are playing the game. It says that you're online.
How about now?
Still nothing. Can you just invite me to the game?
Yeah, just give me 2 seconds.
Wait. On damage taken, 50% of the damage is dealt immediately, while the other 50% is delayed. Oh, so that's what the Warped Echo does.
What?
The Warped Echo, the one that says it splits damage, it like deals half the damage immediately, and then the other half after 3 seconds. With like a cooldown after. That's strange.
Okay, cool. I was just looking at the patch notes for Risk of Rain 2. Because they put out a patch on Friday.
Huh.
Good?
Yep.
Chef?
Is that Chef?
Yeah, it's Chef. It's pretty fun.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll go Railgun, here we go.
Oi. Also, I unlocked the Seeker secondary.
Nice.
Do I prefer it though?
Try this. Okay.
Yeah, I'll just use it for this game. Titanic Plains. See, now, I played... I started off on Titanic Plains once, and I didn't get the shrine. I don't know where it is on this map.
I think it's random. Randomly spawning like every other shrine. Oh, holy shit, it sucked. Jesus.
Damn, bro.
Oh, I missed Nuke. I feel like beating Nude's ass, so I'm gonna activate him.
You feel like beating his ass?
Yeah.
if you can.
Yeah.
Elbozo. Eulogy 0 is the one that converts your items into orbits, right?
No, you're thinking of egocentrism.
Oh, yeah, I am. What's Eulogy 0 do?
I don't know.
Actually, I can look because they added an option for you to look into the logbook in the middle of the game.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, you're right.
All items have a 5% chance to become a lunar item instead.
What's the downside?
No thanks, Huh?
Is that the downside? Or...
That's just the item.
Oh, is it not a, is that not a lunar item itself?
No, it is.
So it's a lunar item without like an upside or downside? It just does what it says?
Yeah, just items have a 5% chance to become a lunar item instead.
Hmm.
Blake, you are dying. Why are you dying?
Click fall damage.
Ah.
Oh, chain stall.
Weuk. Oh yeah, I don't know where it would spawn on this map.
Yeah, I don't see it.
I like how I can just hear your thing hitting from the other side of the map.
My snipes.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you hear that, that means I hit someone.
Yeah.
I'm
Thanks for the money.
good at shooting.
Oh, hey, if you want, there's a scrapper in the floor.
Oh,
Just barely visible.
it's nice. It's, I have a warhorn I want to get rid of.
Well, here's your chance.
Damn.
Let me...
What's it
Wait,
doing
move,
in there?
please. Thank you. It's just chilling.
Bro thinks we won't see him.
Bro's trying to hide.
I suck.
Alright, wanna go do telly?
Yeah, I suppose. We could always just restart too.
Yeah. Or like loop.
Yeah, that's fine with me. Do you want to go to the couch?
Ah, sure.
I don't want people to join and be like they can't join. You know?
Oh wait. Because we already have like a run going.
Yeah, especially when we're like 5 stages in. Like we're looping.
Yeah. Wandering Vagrant. Fuck, I went too high! Fuck.
By the way, a headshot on a Vagrant is the tips of its tentacles, so they're really annoying to shoot. Ow.
Ow. Fucking ow. Oh, we got a Genesis loop from the thing.
Oh, sweet. Those are great. We'll stop you from dying. Do you want it, or do you want the Reynolds?
If it'll stop me from dying, then I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, because it'll activate a low health.
Yeah.
It basically just screen nukes everything when you're low health.
Love to see it. Yeah, we have to charge the teleporter. Ha! Who does this game think we are?
I should get like a microphone clamp that like clamps down onto my desk instead of having it all sit on my desk, so that way I can actually bring the microphone closer to my mouth.
Yeah?
There's just a wisp sitting there, chilling.
Be chilly.
Oh yeah, that's right. no chests in here.
Oh, fuck. Yeah.
That's
That was such a great mod. Got beads of fealty. What are
Do we?
you?
Wait, where are the beads at?
I was asking if we did.
Oh no. I thought you said we did.
No. Or you want anything from here?
Yeah, kinda.
Fuck, I was gonna do it before you could. Can you even get beads from this?
Yeah.
Because I'm starting to question. Frost
yeah,
Relic.
it's just random.
Hold up. I know it's not Frost Relic. Give me a second.
Frost Relics is a
I wanna...
red.
Yeah, I know. It's the Purity. All skill cooldowns are reduced by 2. All random effects are rolled for an rolled one time for an unfavorable outcome. So it's like the Lucky Leaf frozen over.
So it's sort of like a reverse 4-leaf. It's like it's a 4-leaf clover that 57-leaf
Yeah,
clover
with
that sucks.
Yeah. Yeah, fuck it. Why not? I never use lunar items.
The 57-leaf clover is if it was terrible, it made your life worse instead of making your life better.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Wait, let me.
What?
We merry-go-round.
Okay.
Wait, I want to see if I can rush my way in with my shift. Did they
doubt it.
account for the new characters?
Yes.
They did.
It probably checks your position and not like what form you're in.
Are you going to Void?
Yeah. Why not?
Damn. Okay. Hold on, let me do some
do you not
dropper
want to?
real quick. Oh, I don't care. I was just trying to get
Also,
that.
don't look at my health.
You know, I was there when you got the beaded glass. Or the truck glass.
I'm going in.
Wait.
Okie dokie.
Okay. Okay.
Bison. I clicked my bind that I have set to thank you in TF2 just now when you did that, but then I realized we're playing Risk of Rain 2.
In-game medic. Oh, what am I doing? I should charge my orbs.
Use
My
this downtime-
planetary.
Use this downtime to meditate, man.
I do want to get like a lot of backup maxers so I can spam my M2.
I can actually sense with my scope. I can actually sense every single enemy on the map. So
Oh really?
yeah.
Wow.
Because I see the outline of their headshot hitbox through walls.
Where is this pesky little... Oh, scrapper. It is? Oh, yes, you are right. The one direction that I didn't look in, you know?
Oh, I know.
Yeah? Excuse you.
Sorry, I saw an enemy. I don't know, for some reason I looked you in the eyes and I had the compelling need to shoot you in the face.
You can't bully me today, remember?
Yeah, I know.
The rule that you set up.
Yeah, the rule I set up while I was drunk.
Yeah, you were drunk this morning?
Yes, I was actually. I
Oh,
was
damn.
drunk last night and I did not go to bed.
I can't tell if you...
I went to sleep at like 7 in the morning, then I woke up at like 10:30.
Ah, I see.
I drank some hard monster and some spicy new vodka I got.
Spicy vodka.
Well, it's alcohol, it burns.
Just never heard of spicy vodka before.
It's not spicy, I just call it spicy new.
Oh.
I decided to drink last night because I'm lonely.
Damn. Real.
Very well kill me. Hey, can you heal me before we start?
Yeah, I'd like to heal myself as well.
Thank you.
There we go.
Preach.
Yep.
Oh, my watch broke. Uh-huh.
Damn, bro, that's crazy. Alpha constructs. Oh, those triangle bitches? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is much easier since we don't have multitudes on 2.
Yeah. What are those things circling you?
They're my M2. They are called soul spirals, question marks? Soul orbs? I don't know. Manifest rotating orbs dealing 100% damage per second. Again, a temporary barrier when they hit shit.
Nice.
Mouse. Right here.
Another watch. Okay, I got it back. They have sticky bombs.
Yikes. It's okay, you'll just headshot them before they get close, I guess.
Yes. I also have a glass, so.
Yeah.
A lot of triangles around that I can't shoot because they're behind walls. But also they're not bothering us, so. Okay, hold on. 2 seconds.
Alright. You're in the void. You are slowly dying in the void.
Oh, I just realized I posted that level up thing in general because Rainbow was going to do it.
Oh, that wasn't intentional? Huh. Also, my next one is revive, so I'm gonna try not to use until death occurs.
I meant to just send it to you, but I mean, whatever.
If you know, you know.
I don't know what he's saying nice to, but...
Great question. The world may never know.
Why did he reply to it with nice? What does that even mean?
You are being congratulated because you have leveled up, I
Okay.
suppose.
God, this is so easy when Multitudes is on 1.
Yeah.
Really? You didn't get the Shurikens?
No.
Okay.
I feel like Lepton Daisy comes good in a pinch.
They're pretty situational, though. This is a fucking cakewalk on Multitudes of 1.
Just like, where are all the enemies, bro?
I just want to shoot something, man.
Sure. Here, have something to shoot. Brass contraption. Bass contrap.
Ass contraptions.
Yeah. I was trying to do like a funny, like, oh, I said it wrong intentionally, but I just couldn't find a way of saying it wrong enough that it'd be not funny. It's not really funny, but
Ass contraptions is pretty funny.
yeah. Ass contractions.
One chip.
Exactly, bro. What is... Are you seeing this?
Seeing what?
This fucking bell that's just rolling down the hill.
No, I don't see that.
Yeah, that's crazy. First I thought it was like some small enemy, like a parasite, except why the fuck would it be here? Predatory beef.
Predatory.
Predatory. Predatory fish sticks.
Ah, goodbye.
What? Oh.
Sorry,
What
I
the
just
fuck?
flying.
Bro's just gone.
Oh, no. How many meditates are you at? Are you at 6?
Yeah, I've been at 6 for a while. That's why I haven't been using it.
Just
Because...
in case of death, break glass.
Yeah. Exactly, bro. Yeah, because I don't know if, like, say I do it the 14th time, I don't think that revives. Because it
Maybe
doesn't, like,
not.
start counting from 1 again.
Yeah.
Symbiotic Scorpion. Fuck.
No, that's fine. Just don't get hit.
Oh yeah,
Don't get hit, forehead.
okay. Just a bit worried about the permanently part of that.
Just don't get hit, forehead. Plus, this is like the easiest cell to defend anyway.
Yeah. Got a bronze.
Especially the monster setup we got with. The only thing we gotta worry about are bells,
Yeah.
which I'm keeping an eye out for.
Yes, you have.
Okie What's new? What's this do?
I have.
Oh,
Which one are you getting?
This is the overpowered one. This is the Sorinus Whispers, the middle one. This is the actually the new overpowered red.
Should I do the other red? That's new.
That one's not as good.
It looks new.
The Electric Boomerang's not as good. You get their Whispers, trust me.
Right.
Look at it.
Large.
It's literally Artifact of Sacrifice, but better. Because it's not an artifact.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
Ooh, large chest. Oh, I got a red. You
Oh,
want
yeah.
the Shattering Justice? I know you like it.
I like it on Bandit.
Okay.
Oh, Fungus. That's good
Oh,
for
another
me.
one.
Fungus. Fungus is good for me.
Chance stall?
Yeah, I have two. This can give me some guaranteed reds on. Now that I have two, I can get some easy reds on China chances.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Literally just like 2 or 3 can get you like guaranteed green and reds.
That's wild, man.
The new items are kind of unbalanced.
Balances out the jank of the update.
No, it doesn't, because that's the whole point. It doesn't balance it out. It's
Yeah.
not balanced.
That's the whole point. It creates the jank. Bro, I just got 2 power elixirs. Like, what the fuck?
I think the game hates you. Misogynistic.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
Did you say there was a scrapper on this map?
I think so? Give me a second. Give me a hot minute. Okay. Leg. I believe it is on the bridge thing. Yeah, right here.
Okay.
Here you go first. Bandolier. What does Bandolier do? Oh, fine with that. Okay, I think I'm good.
Okay, I'm going through.
I was just like, please, I'm gonna die. Does the thing spawn on any map other than the first?
I don't know.
Bruh.
I'm greedy.
That's some blood money you've got there, quite literally.
Quite literally.
But it is a good way of getting items right quick.
Quite literally. Yeah, no items have spawned yet.
So, question, what does the game consider a large monster? Probably like the bosses and mini-bosses, I'd assume.
Yeah.
All elites have a 15% chance of dropping an item, plus 5 per stack.
And
I
once
wonder
we-
if the item is
well,
random.
Well, once we get to the loot, when every enemy is basically an elite.
Yeah.
You want current level?
Sure.
Do you want a needle pick?
What's that do again?
It, chance to root enemies on hit, corrupts the daggers.
Nah.
Okay, we'll grab it then.
Okay.
Oh, here's a new white. Chronic expansion.
Yeah.
Forgot about it. Oh, here's a combat shrine. To give me some elites to fight. Or it'll just give me one greater wisp but all one shot. What's that whisper doing up there? Rose higher than a kite.
Higher than the Empire State. Scrapper. You want anything from here?
No, you can have it.
Right.
It's Tilly.
I'll be right back.
Oh, Mountain Shrine.
I am back.
Welcome back. I hit a shrine of the mountain.
Okay.
I found another shrine of the mountain.
Bruh.
Where's that scrapper you found?
It's off in the side area between places.
And it's not here either. Okay, I'm gonna go find him. I know where he is, if he's not. There.
Yeah, let me go find the scrapper.
Can I even get up there? Let's find out. I have to get up there. If I do alright. There we go. Oh, he's gotta be up here. I forget where exactly up here he is, but I know he's up here. There he is.
I pinned the thing.
Okay, thank you. You can start heading towards Philly if you want. I just need to scrap one thing.
Oh, me.
Well, two things. But... Okay.
Imagine training again.
I just got a Lumina shot from the boss. Another one of them just dropped an item.
Yeah, I think the third one did as well, but I picked it up. Oh, there's one more over here. Oh no.
Hey, I got an achievement.
Nice.
These bolts just drop
If you want,
daggers.
yeah, you corrupt. Corruption.
Okay.
Said he's got to be somebody's baby.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Nothing interesting.
The moist. The moist. No. Moist.
What if we got convergence to speed up teleporters?
If you want. Are you ready?
Yeah.
God, that's fun as fuck. Yeah, it's got a goat hood from an elite.
So basically, me.
Nice.
So we'd only basically pay.
Do you want a Tenta bubble? You playing a bubble?
Yeah, I know it's Chronobobble, I just don't remember what it does. I don't remember a lot of the
Uh,
void items.
Roots enemies on hit. And I was wrong about the needle tick. The needle tick is collapse, enemies on kill.
Hmm. Hmm.
I think that's better than slowing them, because that holds them in place instead of just slowing them.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna go find Newt.
Okay.
Don't know if we marked him, but just tell you, yeah, he found.
I wonder if a Halionite seed thing is on this map because there are a lot of gold elites spawning.
Wait, you found the...
No, I just wonder if there is because gold elites are spawning.
I don't know if that's how it works. I think we're just getting
Maybe not.
lucky / unlucky with our things.
Yeah.
Hey, can you go up there? With your ability?
Oh.
See if Newt's over there.
On the mountain?
Yeah. That's one of Newt's
Yeah, give me
spots,
a
but I
second.
can't get up there.
Yeah. On my way.
He'll be way on the end up there.
Yeah, yeah.
I also look over here.
Why do we go to Newt again?
Because potential of good reds.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, it's over here.
Okay. See. I'm ready for Telly if you are.
Yeah, I just need to make my way over there first.
So do your meditates reset once every stage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smited be you.
Sweet. Hey, Ukes!
Oh, cool.
Oh, that's right, the smaller teleporter.
Some sliced cheese, miracle whip, and soda.
What?
So I gotta go for dinner. But
Okay.
So yeah, I guess after we're done charging this, I'll hop off.
So we're done.
What was that?
So we're done.
Yeah, I mean, I might be back on later,
Okay.
but the power of good food compels to me.
Okay.
Compels to me? Alright.